Hi everyone, welcome to the Move Challenge with Arundathi. And today we're going to do it again in a very small space to inspire you that you can move, you can do yoga even in a very small space. So let's settle in. Let's gently soften our gaze and close our eyes, hands and chin mudra on our kneecaps and sit tall. Let's take 3 purposeful breaths in. Big inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last one, big slow inhale and nice slow exhale. Great job. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest with a few gentle blinks. Open your eyes. So now we're going to do the cat-cow on the mat. So you're going to come into a tabletop, right? So make sure the distance between your kneecaps is the length of your forearm. Then you're going to place your hands, the distance again, the forearms. Then ready? We're going to do the cat-cow. Inhale, gaze up, and exhale, arch your back like a cat. Inhale, exhale, go with the breath. Inhale and exhale. This is really good for back pain. Inhale, exhale. Last one, big inhale and exhale. And we're going to take a breath here, big inhalation and exhale. Now we're going to go into the plank, right? So you're going to bring your fingers together, interlace them right in front of you. You're going to place it in front, your forearms, balance on your forearms, push one leg out, the other leg out. Then you're going to bring your body down. More down. Let's hold the pose and breathe normally. Tighten your core. You got this. Keep breathing. Doing amazing. Let's keep going. Great job. So knees to the mat and then child's pose. Extend your hands apart, feet apart, and deep breathe. Good job. We're going to go to the downward dog from here, right? So you're going to push your tailbone up, move your hand a little upwards, and this is the downward dog, right? So you can keep your feet together or apart, whatever you want, and hold the pose. So this is really good, as you can see, and try to push yourself inward, right? And feel that nice stretch on your tailbone. This is really good to give that boost of energy to you. Really good for depressive thoughts, right? Back pain, and also to tone your arms, so plus point. And as you can see while she's doing the pose, so breathe normally. We're doing it in a very tight space, so I'm trying to inspire that you don't need to have big spaces in your house. Then knees to the mat, child's pose. That's it. Then you're going to look up, right, and you're going to place your right foot in between your palms, then left foot, right, and I'm going to move the camera so that she's going to raise her hands up and stop at 90. That's it. Inhale, up, 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 all the way up. Now bend backwards. Good, nice stretch. And exhale, hands to the heart center. Then hands apart, feet apart, and we're going to deep breathe. We're going to do one more yoga pose, right? This is called the swaying palm tree. Really good to lose weight and for your back. So you're going to come into a mountain pose first. Then you're going to you're going to move your right foot to your right side. Inhale, sweep your hands up together, interlace them, right, over your head and pull yourself up, 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 right? Then inhale, push this hip to this side and exhale that side. So hold the pose, breathe normally and feel that nice stretch so on your left. So we bend to our right and you're going to feel that nice stretch on your left. So breathe normally while you're here. Even with a small pose, you feel that intensity. Few more seconds. And tighten your knees, don't let them go lazy. Inhale, up, up, up. Pull yourself up as much as you can. Then push your right hip to your right side. Exhale, and then bend to your left, right? So as you probably are noticing, I'm saying inhale, exhale. Those are very important to do at the right time, yeah? So while you're holding, pull yourself as much as you can and breathe normally. Inhale, up, up, up. and exhale, hands down. Then bend your right knee and go to the left, hands apart, feet apart, and deep breathe. Big inhale and exhale. Great job. So please join me in Shavasana on your yoga mat. So that is lying down on your back. You're going to place your hands apart, feet apart. We're going to take 5 purposeful breaths. Big inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Slower, inhale, exhale. One more, big inhale and exhale. Great job. Let's stay here a few more seconds. Let's relax our body completely. Let's bring our feet together, hands together, turn to our right side and come into a seated position. Great job. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest with a few gentle blinks. Open your eyes. Great job on joining. I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.